Hey everyone, on today's video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to sell your diamond in Emergency Hamburg. So first we're going to go to our Roblox app, as you can see. So once we're here, we're going to search for Emergency Hamburg, and then we're going to click it. And there's the style. We're going to click on play. So as you can see, Emergency Hamburg is live. We're in the gameplay. So next we're going to click on the maps and look for the jewelry sign, as you can see here in the top. And we're going to click it since it's going to give us the direction to go there. So we're going to go into our car and drive there. So now once we're there, we're going to go to the jewelry store. Since I don't have any diamonds on me, you guys will go to the counter and click on the thing that comes up for you to sell it. So that's it, guys. I hope you like this video. Subscribe for more. Goodbye.